welcome to our second Mockingbird session. And thank you, Ron. Thank you to all the artists that have come tonight. So, thank y'all. So, out of respect for the artists, well, let me just say this. Y'all know this is a storytelling event. And so, I'm going to ask y'all to please turn your cell phones on silent. And please keep your talking to a minimum, because I, for one, and I think that that's why we're all here, really care about hearing what they have to say. So, if y'all wouldn't mind, let's be respectful to the artists and let's have a great evening. I'm looking forward to it, and I thank y'all for being here. I know they appreciate it. I do too. Thanks for helping us build this thing, and let's keep doing it. All right, baby, you're on.
Thank you. It's caused us to build up walls and not let people in. It's just about breaking down those walls and theoretically building something.
I'm gonna just say this is about me and my friends growing up. And this is what happened. It ended up being a song about a guy that's
I guess it's a natural instinct as a songwriter to write about love. Both the good and the bad.
And there's a feeling longer.
My name is Travis Shallow. I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina.
I'm just scared of all the voices. Either way, baby, you gotta let your love light shine.